it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah from The Charming Detroiter. Happy holidays. I am really excited to share with you guys today my holiday home decor video, so let's get right into it. So before we get started, make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, comment below what your favorite part of the home tour is today. I really appreciate those comments from you guys. I love to interact with you guys, and that thumbs up really helps me out. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, the holidays are like my favorite time of the year, and definitely my favorite time to decorate for. Just as my husband, we have like way too many bins of Christmas decor in our basement storage room. I just think it's such a festive and fun time of the year, and there's so much love and giving and time with family and friends, and I just absolutely love that. So I like to decorate for it too. Today I wanted to share with you our modern farmhouse home decor for the holidays. And if you guys have seen my video from last year of our modern farmhouse home decor tour for the holidays, you will recognize some of the pieces. I have reused a lot of stuff from last year, but I also picked up some really cute stuff that I'm excited to share with you guys. So as a reminder, everything will be linked below in the description box if there's anything that catches your eye. Anything that is from last year or a previous season and isn't maybe available in the exact same style, I'm gonna link some similar styles for you guys below.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Alright, so that's going to do it for today's holiday home decor tour. I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to comment below. Let me know which part was your favorite of the tour, and I will see you guys next time. Happy holidays!